Uh-huh.
Okay.
Oh, dude, all over me. Oh, he's vomiting. Oh, I think I got that. Give him some water. Don't hog the water. That's fucked up.
Ew, I have it all over my face.
How was it, James? He wants that water really fucking bad. Oh, dude. What the fuck is that? Oh, fuck.